Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is April 15th, 2025, and we're taking a look at Apple stock, ticker symbol Apple. We'll be examining how recent news events are impacting the chart and discussing potential trading strategies. Recent news indicates Apple is riding a tariff roller coaster and is currently at $202.52. Analyst opinions are mixed, with price targets varying widely for 2025 and beyond. Some analysts believe AI will drive growth, while others cite concerns about iPhone sales and the impact of tariffs. Let's start with the daily chart to get a broader perspective on the overall trend. Looking at the daily chart, we can see how the stock has moved over the past year. We'll be working in UTC time today. Notice the large red candles in early April 2025, coinciding with news about increased tariffs impacting Apple's profitability. The daily candle on April 3, 2025, shows massive volume and a large drop, reflecting the initial shock of the tariff news. The stock has since had large swings, but has largely recovered to before the big decline in early April. Now, let's zoom into the 1-hour chart for a more detailed look at recent price action. By narrowing our focus, we can identify potential support and resistance levels that might be useful for shorter-term trading strategies. On the 1-hour chart, we can see the volatility following the daily view's major drop. Zooming in even further, let's look at the 15-minute chart to pinpoint key price levels. President Trump denies that there was a tariff exception for certain electronics, as reported by some news outlets. This may be a key driver of any volatility seen on the 15-minute chart, so let's observe it. Here we can see even more granular price movements, potentially indicating short-term entry and exit points. Notice the short-term rally we see on the 15-minute chart. Key price levels to watch include the recent high of around 212 and the low around 201. Breaking above 212 could signal a bullish continuation, while a drop below 201 might indicate further downside. Given the uncertainty surrounding tariffs, it's crucial to monitor news headlines and be prepared for sudden price swings. There are reports on Apple's Project Titan canceling plans for a car to compete with Tesla, so watch out for any news related to this as well, as that may sway the market. Overall, the mixed signals from analysts and the ongoing tariff situation create a challenging environment for Apple stock. In the short term, look for opportunities to trade within the established range, but be cautious of breakouts or breakdowns. Long term, factors like the success of new products, the resolution of trade disputes, and Apple's ability to innovate in AI will determine the stock's trajectory. Remember to do your own research and manage your risk accordingly before making any trading decisions. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts.